Another thing you can do with music is to put it on in your car and sing at the top of your lungs. I mean, okay, if you've got your wife and kids in the car, that's good, but on your own. And do you know what the best thing, but that's a great thing, because I can sing, I've got the best voice in the world when I'm actually in my car on my own singing. I sang Respect with Aretha Franklin yesterday, and I swear I was better. I honestly swear I was better than her. But you know what? I got out of the car like that, smiling on my face. The smile doesn't just go here, it's all around your brain, because it's a release of chemicals around your brain. I won't go into the details because it will bore you, but stuff happens when you smile. Stuff happens when you smile at other people. But if you're in the car doing that at the traffic lights, watch what happens either side of you. Don't stop singing. This is now, you don't stop singing. Let that person look at you and see you going, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, find out what it means. I'm going, yay! Because they're going to look at you and laugh. So let them laugh. What's so wrong about that? You're going to cringe that little bit more. You can't wait for those lights to come on, turn green, turn green, turn green. And the other side, the kids in the car are going. Then later on, they're going to say to someone, do you know what? We saw this mad woman singing in her car, this mad bloke singing in his van. And that's fine, because that's going to make them, it wasn't pointed, but hey, has anyone else got a van, just out of interest? It's worth doing. I tell you what, it's worth doing, because those people are going to be laughing because of you. They laugh at you, who cares if they laugh at you? But you can feel their laughter. And one thing moves on to another, moves on to another. That's exactly right, Christine. Everything, one thing will latch onto another, to another, to another. It's all a positive bubble around you, and it just gets bigger and bigger. You do that in your car, and you can drive away from the lights thinking, you've made people smile, you've made yourself laugh, and inside you were like, oh! But later on in the day, when you tell that story to someone and they laugh as well, it's a big, big, big bubble, gets bigger and bigger. It's worth making yourself do something like that.